Okay, so what you're going to do is find the surface area of a pyramid. And a pyramid can be drawn broken up in a net. So the base is right here, it's a square. So I have a square base. And then if I break apart like this pyramid and kind of unravel it, kind of like you're peeling an orange, it'll look like kind of like this shape. And that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to unravel it into a net. So you have the top back triangle, you have the right triangle, and then you have the front triangle, and then you have the left triangle. So that's going to be the net that you're going to draw. And then you're going to find the area of all of these shapes. It's kind of like what we did last week. It's the area of all the surfaces you can see. So the bottom is going to be 5 times 5. So that's 25. And then the back has a height of 8, a base of 5. So that will be half of, because it's a triangle, 8 times 5. So that is 20. And then since this bottom is a square and all the triangles have the same height, then you have these other triangles as area of 20 as well. So then you have to just add up all of these areas together. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 80. So 80 plus 25. So that makes it 105 inches squared as the area. And that's using a net. Again, it's just taking something like this pyramid. Let's see if you can see me better. Pyramid shape, and then just kind of unraveling it. So one side, back side, left side, front side, and making a shape that's like a peeled orange. You just start peeling it, and the shape is going to be like a star. It comes from the base, has 4 sides, so there'll be 4 triangles as you peel it apart. If the base is a triangle, you're going to have 3 sides, 3 triangles on the side. Like this side, this pyramid. So we have a triangle as a base. So this base is a triangle, and you can see I only have 3 sides to that pyramid. It's because the triangle only has 3 sides. So if we find the surface area of this, let's try and find it without doing a net, because some of us will choose not to do a net. So let's do the base. So the base I just outlined in yellow has a base of 10, and then the height that's on the bottom is 8.7. So the triangle, that triangle would look like this. So 10 is the base, and then that height that's perpendicular to the base is 8.7. So then it wants us to find 1/2 times 10. Oops, I almost put 5. 1/2 of 10 times 8.7. So it is 5 times 8.7. So that's 43.5. So that's a base. And then I'm just going to switch colors and do, so you have 3 more triangles left because you have the 3 sides. So I'm just going to do this front one. So that front one I just outlined in green has the height of 14. That red slant height that they gave you is the height of all the slant heights of all the triangles on the side of the pyramid. So that's 14. And then the base is 10. So that's 1/2 times 10 times 14. So that's 5 times 14, which is 70. And then, so the front triangle right here with the slant height given to it. So that is going to be, again, slant height is 14, and that base is 10 because it says regular pyramid. So that's going to be 1/2 times 10 times 14, which is 5 times 14, which is 70 as well. And then the back side, your slant height is 14, and then your base height is 10, which is 1/2 times 10 times 14. So that's 5 times 14, which equals 70. And then all you want to do is take all of these surface areas that you found, and just add them up. So you're going to add 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 43.5, which equals 210 plus 43.5, which is 253.5. So that's your area, so that's meters squared. So you're going to draw the square. So that's the surface area of the pyramid. And that's with the triangle as your base. So I'm going to outline in black the base again. So that's your triangle. That's the base, is how it's standing. So like back to the triangle, the pyramid that I drew. So this is his net. And if I put all the sides together, it'd be a pyramid. And how it'd stand is on that rectangle. So that's the surface area of the pyramid. All you're doing is finding the pyramid, the area of all the sides, and then adding them together.